Power supply install, ATX part 1. Before we install the power supply into the chassis, I'd like to talk a little about it. This power supply came with mounting screws and AC power cord. This side has the specifications label. Looking at the bottom, we see the exhaust fan. Looking at the back of the power supply is a red switch. The switch is recessed and has a number on it, 115, that represents the AC power source input voltage. There is an AC power input socket and power switch. Separating the cables from the bundle, we find connections to the system board and other devices. This large connector is for the system board. It is called a 20 plus 4P main board connector. This connector is for the CPU. It's called CPU plus 12 volt connector. It has 8 pins and another split 4x4 pin connector depending on your system board needs. These connectors are for PCI Express cards. Video cards and others that need this power will use these connections. These are the SATA power connectors. Hard drives, optical drives, and others will use these connectors. These are Molex connectors. They could also be used on hard drives and optical drives if needed. They can also supply video cards using the Molex to PCI Express adapter. Also, there is a floppy disk power connector at the end of one cable.